Hello everyone. Today we are in Canada. I'll show you a quick view of Quebec, Montreal and Sydney, Nova Scotia. Quebec is one of the 13 provinces and territories of Canada. Quebec is the second most populous province of Canada after Ontario. It is the only one to have a predominantly French-speaking population. The city's landmarks include the Chateau Frontenac Hotel that dominates the skyline at the Citadel of Quebec. If you come from the cruise liner docking place, you have to climb up to the Chateau Frontenac to get more epic view of the city. Quartier du Petit-Champlain is a small commercial zone in city, Quebec, Canada. It is claimed that it's the oldest commercial district in North America. Now we are in Montreal. Montreal is the most populous municipality in the Canadian province of Quebec and the second most populous municipality in Canada. Montreal is in the southwest of the province of Quebec. The city covers most of the island of Montreal at the confluence of the St. Lawrence and Ottawa rivers. Here we are now in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Sydney is a former city and a current community located in the Cape Breton Regional Municipality of Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia, Canada. Sydney was a home to one of the North America's main steel mills. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe for upcoming video from another places. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers.